Welcome to Cars Trends, your premier source for in-depth automotive insights and reviews. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ceulian Series 2, a luxury SUV that epitomizes opulence and engineering excellence. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Ceulian Series 2 presents subtle yet impactful design enhancements that elevate its commanding presence. A notable update is the illuminated Pantheon grille, now frameless, casting a sophisticated glow that accentuates the vehicle's grandeur. Flanking the grille are new L-shaped LED daytime running lights, contributing to a modern and assertive front fascia. The SUV's profile is further distinguished by the introduction of 23-inch wheels, a first for the Ceulian, emphasizing its robust stance and dynamic capabilities. Under the hood, the Ceulian Series 2 retains the formidable 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering effortless power and a whisper-quiet ride. This powertrain ensures that the Ceulian remains both a serene cruiser and a capable performer, embodying Rolls-Royce's commitment to delivering a magic carpet ride experience. Stepping inside the Ceulian Series 2 reveals an interior that seamlessly blends traditional craftsmanship with contemporary innovation. A standout feature is the placed perforation technique applied to the leather upholstery, creating intricate patterns through up to 107,000 tiny perforations, each meticulously inspected for uniformity. For those seeking an alternative to leather, Rolls-Royce offers Duality Twill, a luxurious textile crafted from bamboo fibers, showcasing the marque's dedication to sustainable luxury. The Ceulian Series 2 is equipped with cutting-edge technology designed to enhance both driver and passenger experiences. The updated infotainment system, inspired by BMW's iDrive interface, offers intuitive controls and seamless connectivity. A fully digital dashboard provides crisp displays of vital information, ensuring that drivers remain informed without distraction. Additionally, the bespoke 18-speaker audio system transforms the cabin into a concert hall on wheels, delivering unparalleled sound quality. Beyond its luxurious appointments, the Ceulian Series 2 offers remarkable utility. The spacious cabin comfortably accommodates 5 passengers, with ample legroom and headroom. The rear cargo area provides generous storage capacity, making it suitable for both weekend getaways and daily errands. Despite its substantial size, the Ceulian's advanced suspension system ensures a smooth and composed ride across various terrains, reaffirming its versatility as both an urban cruiser and an off-road adventurer. In the realm of ultra-luxury SUVs, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ceulian Series 2 stands apart by harmoniously blending timeless elegance with modern advancements. Competing with vehicles like the Bentley Bentayga and the Mercedes-Maybach GLS, the Ceulian distinguishes itself through unparalleled craftsmanship, bespoke customization options, and a heritage that embodies automotive excellence. Its appeal to a younger, self-driven clientele underscores its adaptability and enduring desirability. In conclusion, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ceulian Series 2 reaffirms its status as the pinnacle of luxury SUVs. With its refined design, powerful performance, sumptuous interior, and state-of-the-art technology, it offers an unmatched driving experience that caters to the most discerning of automotive enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ceulian Series 2. If you enjoyed this deep dive and wish to stay updated on the latest automotive trends, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to Cars Trends for more in-depth reviews and industry insights. Your support enables us to continue bringing you the content you love. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.